were introduced to IMS and we really like the idea of introducing our products to the aerospace engineering, defense engineering, the footfall.
In this India Manufacturing Show 2025, DRDO has placed its stall for aeronautical laboratory.
IMS, this is our second time at IMS. We've been back here in 2023 and yet here again now. The kind of, the crowd there is, the footfall there is really good, and there are a lot of potential leads that we have gained so far, and looking forward to 2027 as well.
IMS 2025, this time the crowd what we have seen is really great, and the excellent support from this IMS entire team, and we should thanks to the organization as well as the organizing committee here. Thank you very much.
It was great to be a part of 7th edition of IMS 2025 Bengaluru edition.